Welcome to the channel. Here's Trader Jan. This video is about the market analysis and the preparation of the trading day. Let's look first at the economic calendar. I have it here for specifically for today. They're all two-star messages. Some people have to say something, but more speaking. And then let's see this week. It's Monday now. On Tuesday is all. We have the FOMC meeting minutes, always good to see. That could disrupt the markets a little bit, and especially in terms of confidence for a further rate cut by the Americans. Non-farm payrolls on Thursday. That's always an exciting time to trade unemployment rates and existing home sales. So that's going to be towards the end of the week, going to be interesting. Usually in those weeks, the beginning of the week going to be very ranging and boring. From a trading action perspective, doesn't mean there's no profit possible in that market. So here is the daily chart. We see here market has moved up, has made a lower high, but didn't really break through the lower here. So it is slightly, let's say I would be passively optimistic about more of long day.
Connection lost.
Oops, what was that? Oh, Atos is screaming. Okay, connection lost. I'm still connected. So here, so we considering that this day is or this week is the first day of a week with some news at the end of the week. So this I wouldn't bet it's gonna be huge moves. But let's see what the day gonna bring. Now we have the 1 hour chart. Up moment. Let's go back the daily charts because I want to mark one area, and this one is actually the area here which got where the markets got actually traced back again. It was rejected. So that's going to be an interesting level to watch if the market goes back again. It went to this area again and got already rejected. So, but definitely an area which need to be watched. So now this is this part here. That's what we just added, and let's say as well here that's going to be for sure an interesting area. We're going to specify the locations then in the M15 here. I just want to put some markers in here in terms of from the daily the chart perspective. There might be some good scalping opportunities, especially here if the market goes down here into previously rejected area and then pushes there, and then if it goes like deep enough, like 10, 20 ticks, then comes back to it, there's a likelihood it push back up. Need to make myself first of all clear what kind of trading methodology I'm gonna use today. I tend to do more scalping, especially range scalping, because it looks like the market is more of a ranging market today. So having said that, let's move to the M15. In the review of the day, I think I've mentioned already at the review of the Friday's trading day, I mentioned already that the locations have not really been that great. So I better rework at least those which we defined here on Friday. For the day of Friday, I'm gonna just remove them and gonna redefine then the part. The other others, no, come on. The others we have reviewed already before, don't need to do it again. But here we clearly see that there is a certain area which could be interesting. Here there are some rejections. Here there's a rejection from today, from Friday. That's for sure interesting. I'm gonna mark that one here. Sure, this one here, this looks really interesting that the market could react again. And future here as well. This is the area where the day was finished. I'm gonna just go here. Take this one. I take the point of interest, the daily rate. I take that one. Let me leave it in. So I know later on. So here we have definitely an area here where it got rejected here and exactly went back here. So that seems to be a space of interest, that's for sure. So let me take this one here and that one. Then we have an area here which got rejected here and rejected here. Here it was a so it got rejected here as well. Here was a support and here was resistant. Here was support again. So that is definitely an area worthwhile watching. Then we have daily high we have already. We have the advantage of knowing the Asia session here already. And I would say there is some space in between, probably here around that area here, because this one is support, this one here is resistance, and it was quite a high volume area here on the day before here. We have the POC here from Friday, but I would rather watch out for this space here and then that space down here. Okay, so that's the playing field. My working assumption is it's going to be either ranging here or going up. A special place to watch is the top of Friday of the day before. And this one here is actually the closure from the daily chart. Okay, that's it for the day. For the 17th of November, market preparation. We know our locations. We watch out for those locations. And we know it's either long, but less than 50% likelihood, I would say. I expect more ranging day because of the upcoming news. And the upcoming news always depend on as well on the opening of the government in the US that could disrupt for sure the whole thing again. Okay then, see you later.